Calculate the current I/O in the circuit of figure. What does this current become when the input voltage is raised to 10 volt? Solution. First of all, we will redraw the circuit. Now we have to find this I/O. So this is very simple. This 5 ohm and 3 ohm are in series, so this will be 8 ohm. This will be 8 ohm. Now this 8 ohm parallel with 8 ohm, so this will be 4 ohm. This will be 4 ohm. Now this 4 ohm is in series with 1 ohm, so this will be 5 ohm. So now we have the value of resistance as R is equal to 5 ohm, V is equal to 1 volt, and what we have to find? We have to find this I first, then this IO. So we have to find I is equal to question mark. So I is equal to V by R. V is 1, R is 5. So this will be 0.2. 1 by 5 is 0.2 ampere. Now from this, the value of I is 0.2 ampere. So we have to find this IO. We will apply current division rule. So this will be IO is equal to opposite branch resistance, which is 8 ohm, into this current 0.2, or 0.2 into 8 ohm by total. Total is 8 plus 5 plus 3. 8 plus 5 plus 3. So this will be 0.2 into 8 by 8 plus 5 plus 3. So this is 0.1 ampere. Therefore, IO is equal to 0.1 ampere. Next, what we have to find? We have to find what does this current become when the input voltage is raised to 10 volt. So resistance will be constant. This resistance will be 5 ohm, but the value of this voltage is change. So this will be 10 volt. Now I is equal to V by R. So V is 10 and R is 5. So this will be 2 ampere. Now this is 10 volt and this current is 2 ampere. Now we have to find IO. So apply current division rule. So this will be IO is equal to 2 into 8 by 8 plus 5 plus 3. So this will be 2 into 8 by 8 plus 5 plus 3. So this is 1 ampere. Therefore, IO is equal to 1 ampere when the input voltage is raised to 10 volt.